The 400 pounds executive office chair is designed to accommodate larger individuals, ensuring both comfort and support without compromising on style. Featuring an adjustable rocking function, this chair offers a customizable range of motion from 90 to 120 degrees, providing a perfect balance between work and relaxation. For added convenience, the chair's armrests can be flipped up, making it an ideal choice for compact spaces or when you prefer an arm-free experience. This ergonomic chair is crafted to support the neck, back, lumbar, and thighs, promoting a healthy posture and reducing the risk of fatigue during long hours of sitting. With a robust construction capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, this chair is both durable and reliable for daily use. The chair is easy to assemble, and with comprehensive after-sales support, including a 1-year parts replacement policy, it promises a worry-free purchase experience.